Well, good afternoon, everyone. Thanks for tuning in to Gray Shot Down. I'm Gray Shot Down on the sticks, alongside Doggone Sci-Fi behind the wheel.
I don't know what X does.
We're going to do another full self-drive 11.4.7.2 aerial perspective video of Tesla's full self-driving software stack. It pauses.
Oh, it pauses the music?
Yes.
Oh, does it hit play?
Yes.
Oh, okay. I didn't realize I had turned it around. I was like, well, I don't know what X does, but I'm hitting buttons, man.
If you are liking the content, please be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. We all know how that helps this insane YouTube algorithm, and I greatly appreciate it.
Good turn. There's confidence. There's confidence. Let me know if you need to slow down.
I'm catching up to you now. .45 is fine.
Not what I'm doing.
Which I think
44.
is the speed limit, I think, on this
Yeah. Just the way we have it, it likes to go 49. So I should want to get over, because this is our turn.
You got time in some ways, but
I'm kind of, yeah.
there you go.
It's like I'm waiting to see if it does it, but it should get over here. And we have one of those lights where I don't like it to go crouching forward, so if it does it.
Or it proceeds into the intersection.
Yeah.
I hate that. It needs to just wait behind the line in our town.
Yep.
We've seen it.
Yeah.
We've seen it not actually make the turn once it turns red.
And then gets stuck.
And gets stuck.
And then you gotta speed through.
That's not natural behavior. What natural behavior is in our town is we wait behind the line on a blinking yellow, and then when it's clear, proceed into the intersection to make the turn, just like Doggone Sci-Fi did there.
Yep.
So I don't care how many times I have to teach version 12 to do it that way. That's the way we want it done.
Yep.
Sorry.
Well, it is bad. I guessed right. This is Badger Mountain Elementary.
Yeah. No, I'm with you on that one. It's not comfortable. I mean, I understand why in big cities you have to probably do that. Like, you gotta be more aggressive to make that maneuver. Mm-hmm. And that feels comfortable in the cities because you have to do that, but you do not have to do that here.
Mm-mm. I've never actually been to Badger Mountain. I was really impressed I knew what that was.
This area
so stop except for right turn. So you don't actually have to stop as a right turn. Interesting.
The stop permitted without, right turn permitted without stopping?
Yep.
Yeah. There's another one over that, like that I had the other day on my action drive.
Once I get us onto Leslie, I'll alter the...
Yeah, no worries.
I didn't realize we're turning a left onto Leslie. Oh, there's a light. Thank God.
That's what I said too. I actually wasn't sure if there was or not. I was going to hope and pray there was.
I was like, I thought there was. I was like, there's got to be. All right, we're going to stop all the way back here because we don't know what we're doing. There we go. Sorry.
All right, yeah, I was very confused. There it goes. It was almost going to do it like right in the middle.
Yeah, I was like...
Yeah, no, you can clearly see the other car's tire tracks.
Yeah. Alright, let's edit trip.
Trees are gorgeous, though.
Mm-hmm. Look at this view.
See, I knew this was going to be a good drive.
Yeah, just don't forget about that thing.
Yeah, I'll be fine with that. I can see that clearly.
Yeah, mine was being squirrely coming home yesterday. It was doing things that I was like, I haven't seen you do that for a couple builds.
Yeah.
Excellent. All right. So, stove. Clear. Not clear. Oh, we're gonna go. Okay.
Very uncomfortable. It wasn't clear.
No. It saw that car was turning left, so it was like, oh, I can go.
Oh, I'll just go in front of it.
Yeah.
It's like, no, it's going to
like,
cut off your path.
Yeah, I didn't want to slam on the brake because the guy was flying up behind me, so I was like,
No, you're good. It's alright.
it's squirrely today.
Yeah. It's update weekend. Sometimes we say it's update weekend. I've seen a couple of other YouTubers get a revision above this one.
That must be it, because even RC was squirreling.
That's what we always say. It's update weekend.
Speed okay?
Yeah, oh yeah.
Gorgeous drive.
Yeah, I had a feeling. I was like, this should be a good one. Even if the software doesn't drive perfectly, the view will be pretty.
Yeah, but it's still an 80% drive.
Oh, for sure.
Like, that's the thing, is if I can get an 80% drive, I am a happy camper.
Because you could know pretty much where its quirks are. Like, if you were to buy this car, would you be disappointed with where FSD is at in today's development?
Oh, I'd be super impressed.
Yeah.
Well, and I think that's, okay, to be fair though, I've come from where it started, right?
Right.
I've gone through the whole gambit of this. And I think people have this very unrealistic expectation of, oh, it needs to be absolutely perfect. It's still a beta.
Yeah.
If it has the word beta in it, it has flaws and it's still learning.
Yeah.
If you sold it to me as it is ready to go, full self-driving,
Have an app in the back.
yeah,
That kind of a deal.
I would be disappointed.
Yeah.
But no, not with the name beta in it.
Not with it being under the beta title.
No.
Yeah, that's what I figured.
And I'm genuinely impressed with a beta title on this thing.
This is
Like,
better than any other driver's aid I've ever had. I mean, this is more advanced than any driver's aid that's on the market today.
mhm.
You know?
I mean, we've got it a couple of times on camera where it's done a better job than I have.
Yeah.
Now, because it has been so squirrely, we will see how it does on the double roundabout.
Fair enough. You might have to give it some accelerator love through it.
Yeah, or just,
Tick over. Or,
Yeah.
We'll see. Doesn't
Yeah.
matter. Sometimes I actually have pretty good success with these ones.
I do too, because it's pretty,
In the newer build, like in the newer builds, I've had pretty good success with these roundabouts.
yeah, but I'm talking about it's been having trouble on some things today, so I'm like, I'm anticipating,
Oh,
you know
I
what,
see.
it's an update weekend, anticipate it some fail points, right?
You're anticipating some behavior, so it
Yeah.
should be
Should go in the right lane.
technically to go straight. It needs to be in the left lane, right?
Rivian, there we go,
And then
okay.
it can make this go through.
There
Yeah,
we go, it
perfect.
did
And then it needs to stay in this lane here,
Yeah,
and then it just can go straight through the roundabout.
I'm having to give it the gas pedal.
A lot of love. Electron pedal.
All right. We're just gonna go, okay.
It was clear to proceed.
Hey,
It
okay.
worked.
I had to give it the electrons through the first one and through the break between them, but no.
Yeah.
I was ready though. I was like, I gotcha.
I figured. But no, it actually handled that pretty smooth. That actually was probably our smoothest roundabout of the day. Sometimes it does slow down here for the other vehicles.
Which is understandable. This intersection's gonna. Alright, so it's gonna get over. Excellent.
Yep, it needs to just stay in this lane to proceed straight to go to target.
So picked the right lane earlier That's
I
nice.
like
Remember
that.
how it used to, like, way back when,
Wait.
be like, oh yeah.
Yeah. Sometimes I have found that what it'll do is it'll
Try to get
jump back
over.
in the other lane. But...
Yeah, I'm watching it.
So it should just stay in this lane. We're off to the races.
Excellent.
Excellent.
There was a Rivian in the roundabout back there too.
Oh, I missed that.
Yeah, that was the one that I wasn't sure if we were cutting off or not.
Oh. That was a white Rivian then.
Yep.
Oh. It's amazing how it looks like every other vehicle on the road.
I can't remember. I don't know if I showed you this post on X the other day, but someone bought a white Model S, and they were like, "Oh, the sperm whale has arrived," and I was like, "It does look like a sperm whale."
In certain colors, I'll give you that.
Okay, we're not getting over too soon. Excellent.
Well, if you guys are liking the content, please be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. We all know how that helps this insane YouTube algorithm. Once again, I'm Gray Shot Down, alongside Doggone Sci-Fi behind the wheel.
We're just going to do it ourselves.
This has been another full self-drive aerial perspective video of Tesla's 11.4.7.2 full self-driving software stack.
All right, I see where I'm going to take us. Turning left.
Down the